I want to show you some simple techniques using reflectors of different sizes to get light onto your products, whether it's a video or it's a photo. It makes your life so much easier using reflectors. The goal is to do a professional product photography shot with just one light. So you can see here the number 1 streams light to a mirror on the other side, a reflector on the other side. That number 5 puts a nice light strip across the top. The number 3 in the back, the big one, is creating a nice back glow. The projector attachment is an extra thing, but I just really love it. I love to be able to bring up, for example, the light on that little cross. I could do it in post-production, but it's so much nicer to do it for real on set. These are the final shots. It's important to be able to take photos and videos with the same light. So this is being lit with only one light. Green beam is going into a 25 by 25 number 4 for a smooth gradient in the back. Here a number 1 is streaming light into a reflector in the back, and the number 5 is creating that nice strip of light on the front of the bottle. This small number 1 reflector streams to the number 2 down below, which lights the front. This number 5 reflector creates a strip of light that goes on the back there to create the backlight of the bottle. This number 4 creates an edge light on the side of the bottle. This number 2 is to make a wider stream on the number 4 here to create that edge light on this side of the bottle. This one is a little bit different. Basically the difference is the front light comes from a larger number 1 reflector. It's receiving light that's being streamed from a small number 1 just behind this projector that you can't see into a larger number 1 reflector, which is for the front light. This number 2 is to light the top of the bottle, and of course that puts light onto the number 4, which makes that strip of light and reflection on the back of the bottle. The larger number 4 is to make a line down the other side of the bottle on the opposite side. That light is coming from this number 5, which makes a strip of light on the reflector. You can see that, how it looks in the final shot. And in this final shot, we just added a gobo on the bottom floor light. In this example, you can see the results at the bottom of the screen as I move the reflectors. It's a much more efficient way to get your light exactly the way you want it, to get those reflections off of shiny surfaces to be in just the right place. This shot is all done with one light, and you can see that because I'll just turn off this one light and it goes black.